We know that gratitude in our lives is really important. There was a well-known theologian in the 1500s named Meister Eckhart, who was famous for saying, if the only prayer you ever said was thank you, it would be enough. Gratitude for what we have and what goes on around us, recognizing the good things in our lives and appreciating them, takes care of us. Now, I'm a psychologist by training, and I've looked at the research around it, and I won't bore you with that, but there's a lot of it that says our health is better when we have higher levels of gratitude, our emotional well-being is better, our level of happiness is better when we have more appreciation, more gratitude for the good things that happen in our lives. Now, I'm not saying we want to ignore the bad things. I'm not saying we want to pretend that bad things don't happen. Bad stuff is real. Pain and difficulty is real. It happens in our lives. But that doesn't mean we can't, at the same time, appreciate the good things. So if you want a little more joy and happiness in your life, if you want better health in your life, pay a little more attention to those moments of gratitude, to those good things that occur, and let those sink in just a little bit. A couple of ways you might think about doing it that are really simple and easy to do. One of them is just to use thank you, more gratitude language in your day-to-day life. The more often you can recognize things that are good that are going on and thank someone for it, the more likely it is that that gets reinforced and helps to sink into you. So more gratitude language of thank you and appreciation. A second thing you might do is to just share those moments of gratitude with other people around you. Gratitude is wonderful for us when we recognize it and it's just us. It's even better when we share it with someone else. So lean into your relationships with people. Recognize the ways that they give you things that are wonderful and thank them for it. Be grateful. Share with them those moments of gratitude that you have for the sun and the trees and the sky and your pet dog or cat. You know, it's even better when you can tell somebody else about how great that is and how much you appreciate it. And maybe one more thing. If you're really into this, you might think about keeping a gratitude journal. Every day before you go to bed, just jot down in a notebook 3 or 4 things that happened in your life that day that you're really grateful for. A few moments that really counted for you. And the important thing isn't writing it down in lots of detail or even the writing it down. The important thing is to just recall it. Focus on it for a minute. Take a breath and let that moment of, that was really a good thing in my life, sink in. The more of those moments of gratitude you have, the higher your level of resilience will be. And again, bad stuff happens, but more gratitude gives you better tools and strength for dealing with those bad things as they occur.